Hello everyone, welcome on Just Learn channel. Remember to subscribe to get the new news and also to help me reach more people. I'm going to set up new course from Microsoft 365, but before I'm going to do it, let's take a look at Microsoft subscriptions in terms of Microsoft 365 and also Office, what we can choose and what we can buy from them. Alright, starting with Office 2024. Yep, maybe not all you are aware, but we can still buy Office 2024 in one-time purchase model. It's not available for every market country, but maybe on your location, yes, it is available. For example, for my location, I am able to buy it. What is the difference between home and subscription model? Payment, charge model. In Office 2024, one-time purchase. That's it. In subscription, payment every month or every year. What else? I think one of the biggest difference is also that, let me take a look at different documentation. It's that under the one-time purchase for Office 2024, you will not get the feature updates. Yeah. You will get just only security one, but not the future update. What does it really mean? This means that if Microsoft implements something new in Word Excel, you will not get such feature. In subscription model, yeah, such updates are included. Alright, let's switch to the main topic, subscription models, because this is the main topic and probably you are the most interested to hear something about that. What we can choose from Microsoft? On Microsoft webpage, we can choose from home, business, enterprise, and education. I'm going to focus just only for home and for business. Why? Because for enterprise is totally different stories. Probably you are not interested at all. For education, you need to be a student or teacher to get the free license. So firstly, I'm going to cover for home and for business. If you are really interested to hear something about enterprise and education, just let me know under comments under this movie. Alright, for home, we have actually 3 main subscriptions and 1 free. Free is easy to get. What you need to do, just register on the Microsoft webpage and that's it. You will get 5 gigabits of cloud storage, and also you can use some web applications for free like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, and yeah, pretty nice because it's for free. Let's switch to the basic subscription. So we have basic costs about $20 yearly, and now I will share some tips to save some money. When you will pay yearly, you can save up to 16%, something like that. Why? Because Microsoft just set up like this. Let me just show you. Monthly payments about $2, yearly 20. So you see there is difference. When you will be paying each month, you will spend more money. Remember about that. Alright, in the basic subscription, you can use application in the web. You will get 100 of gigabyte of cloud storage, and I think this is the most important 2 points for you. And this is just only for one person. And you can use on multiple devices at the same time. Alright, you see there is OneDrive, and also you can set up your email in the Outlook on the web. Personal subscription. In personal, you will get the desktop application, and this is the different. You will have also much more space in the cloud storage. You will get some ransomware protection, for example. You will get the Clipcam application, but still this subscription is done for one person. Family subscription. Family subscription is for up to 6 people, and you will be sharing, for example, the cloud storage. So it's up to 6 terabit, but for one person it's 1 terabyte. What else? Nothing much. I think this is the most important difference between family and the personal. Right, this is the home. Let's switch to the business one, because this is when this is when the fun will start. Business subscription, it's totally different charge model, because this is the charge model based on users under your subscription. This means that under each of them you can set up to 300 people account. When you assign license account, you need to pay per each license. More flexibility comparing to the home subscription. What else? The tip for payment is the same. You can pay yearly and you can save up to 60% or monthly. My recommendation, if you are pretty sure that you will be using some license in the long period, choose yearly. Okay, and subscription are split the business, basic, standard and premium. In the basic, you do not have a lot of functionalities. You have some cloud storage, 1 terabyte per one user. You will be able to use some web application, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And mostly that's it. All services are pretty nice described here and show it. You can even learn more if you click the button learn more. At the end of the movie, I will show you pretty nice matrix that you can easily compare everything. All right, the business standard. Business standard subscription include the same like basic one plus everything what is described here. Desktop application, and I think this is the biggest difference between business standard and the basic one. You will get the desktop application. And additionally, what is, for example, important for me, you will also get Clipchamp application, what is not included in the basic one. All right, so what is the difference between the premium one and the standard? I think under the business premium, there is 2 main points that are not covered in the previous one. What is this? What is that? Under the business premium, you will have possibility to use Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID. What is that? Do you need it or not? Maybe this is a question that is working in your head. Microsoft Intune, this is the platform to manage devices like mobile phones, tablets, computers. You can set up some policies, some configuration. Microsoft Entra ID, this is the main Microsoft identity platform when you can manage your identities and resources. So the business premium give you much more from administration point of view, but maybe you are not interested to do it. So if not, just choose the business standard. What I'm using the business premium because I would like to have the Entra ID and I would like to also have the Microsoft Intune. All right, what else? Under some subscription description, you can download Comparision PDF, and inside this PDF there is a lot of functionalities that you can easily compare between the subscription. But let me show you something better than this PDF. On Microsoft webpage, you can reach the matrix. The matrix, this is the prepared webpage from Microsoft that you can easily compare every subscription and every functionalities, every feature. At the first look, it's very complicated, but let me just show you how to use. Let's just deselect everything and select just only the subscriptions from the business that I talk. Basic, standard, premium. Voila. And you can compare everything. Every function, every feature, every service. For example, Exchange Online. In every plan you have 20 gigabits, but Exchange Online having under the premium give you 1.5 terabyte of data. Maybe it's important for you, maybe not. What else? As I said, the premium give you the enterprise mobility and security, and also Entra ID plan, identity platform. From administration point of view, maybe for your IT administrator this is important. Maybe not for you, so just read carefully and choose the best subscription for you to avoid wasting your money. Yes, because everything is about money in terms of proper subscription. If you are not sure what to choose, if you need some advice, please let me know under the movie in the comment. I will be more than happy to help you choose the best one. Remember also that every of such subscription you can try for free up to 30 days, if I remember well. So you can play a little bit and after that you can decide. All right, it's everything. All links will be under the movie in the comments, the matrix and the main Microsoft page, when you can easily read about each of the subscription. So thank you for watching. Don't forget about subscribe my channel to get new news and also to help me reach more people. Thank you. See you soon.